Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So guys, today we're going to be learning how to find the general equation for a quadratic number pattern. So guys, the difference between the quadratic number patterns and a linear number pattern, it lies in the difference. So the quadratic number pattern, the first difference is not constant. If we say 7 minus 2, let me change my pen. If we say 7 minus 2 is 5, it's 5. Then 16 minus 7, it's 9. Then 29 minus 16, it's what? It's 13. Then 46 minus 29 is 17. Then 67 minus 46, it's 21. Then 92 minus 67 is 25. If you realize the difference between the terms is not what? Is not constant. But what we can do is we can look at what we call the second difference. So let's look at it. If we say 9 minus 5, it's going to be what? It's going to be 4. 13 minus 9 is going to be 4. 17 minus 13 is going to be 4. 21 minus 17 is going to be 4. 25 minus 21 is going to be 4. If you check, the second difference is what? Is the same. So we call this the first difference. First difference. Then this is called what? The second difference. Then this is what? The main pattern. For our videos, we're going to call it the main pattern. So the general equation for what? For a quadratic number pattern, it goes like Tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c. You have to know it by heart. It's what? An squared plus bn plus c. So the trick is how to find what? A, how to find b, how to find c. A is quite easy. 2a is equals to second difference. Second difference, you know, this is how you find the a. So it means that a is equals to what? Second difference divided by 2. This is how you find your what? Your a. Then to be able to find your b and your c, it all lies in your algebra. It's simultaneous equations. It's simultaneous equations. So let's start by finding our a. I'm just going to divide the screen, try not to get confused. 2a is equal to our second difference, which is 4. So it means that a is equal to 2. This is how you find what? Your a. So our a is what? Is 2. It means we have what? Our a. So our general equation now, Tn is equal to what? A is 2 n squared plus bn plus c. So now the catch is to be able to find what? Your your b and your c. To be able to find those, we're going to use term 1, which is 2, and our term 2, which is 7. So we know that term 1 is equal to what? Okay, let me go back to the white pen. Term 1 is going to be what? 2. Then term 2 is going to be what? 7. But we know that term 1 is equal to what? A is what? We're going to say, okay, let me write that first. Tn is equal to a n squared plus bn plus c. Then term 1, what is your a? Our a is 2. What is our n? Our n is 1 squared plus, what is b? We don't know it, but our n is 1, then plus c. But we know our term 1 is what? Our term 1 is 2. 2 is equal to what? 2 multiplied by 1 squared is 2 plus b multiplied by 1 is b plus c. So it means that we're going to make c the subject of the formula. C is going to be 2 minus b. So c is equal to what? Negative b. You see, that's how you solve for them. Then you're going to use what? Your term 2. I'm going to create another line. So term 2 is equal to what? Okay, let me write it so it aligns with this one. Term 2 is going to be, where you see 2, what is your n? 2 squared plus b 2 plus c. Let me remove this. Then, what is your term 2? Your term 2 is 7 is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 plus 2b plus c. Right. then we know that 2 is going to be 7. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 plus 2b plus c. Right. Then from here is just simply algebra. I'm going to write from here. So you're going to say, this is our equation 1. I'm sorry. Then this is our equation 2. Then you're going to say sub 1 into 2. Then it means that 7 is equal to 8 plus 2b plus c. But we know our c is equal to negative b. So where we see c, we're going to substitute negative b. 7 is equal to 8 plus 2b plus negative b. So we're going to have 7 is equal to 8 plus 2b minus b. So you simply solve for b. Then it's going to be 7 minus 8 is equal to 2b minus b is equal to b. So b is equal to what? Negative 1. I hope you understand till this point. Then what you're simply going to do is you're going to solve for your c. So to be able to solve for your c, you're going to say sub b into equation 1. So c is equal to minus b, but we know that b, what's b? B is negative 1. So c is equal to negative 1. So c is equal to 1. So if you realize, we were able to do what? To solve for our b and our c. Then we can finally write our final equation, which goes like Tn, right, is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. What is our a? Our a is 2n squared plus, what is our b? Our b is negative 1. Okay, let me do this, I'm sorry. Plus negative 1 n plus c, which is 1. And I have 2n squared minus n plus 1. You realize this is what? Our final equation. So to be able to prove it, we're just going to copy this. Okay, I can just take it from here. We're just going to put our main pattern. Here's our main pattern here. So we're going to check for term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to check for term 5. We're going to say T5 is equal to 2, 5 squared minus 5 plus 1. Right. Where you see n, you're going to substitute 5. So it's going to be 2 multiplied by 25, right? Because 5 squared is 25, minus 5 plus 1. What's 2 multiplied by 25? It's 50 minus 5 plus 1, which is going to be what? 50 minus 5, it's what? It's 45 plus 1, it's 46. So if you look, what's term 5? Term 5 is this one, it's 46. We can just check it again using what? Let's just say term 7. Term 7 is equal to 2, 7 squared minus 7 plus 1. What's 2, 7 squared is 49 minus 7 plus 1. What's 2 multiplied by 49? It's 98 minus 7 plus 1. 98 minus 7 is what? It's 91 plus 1, which is what? 92. If you check, it's also correct. So guys, that's how you solve for the equation for what? For a quadratic number pattern. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe and comment down below what you don't understand. Thanks. See you in the next one.